Hi there! I'll show you how to create amazing grid logo designs in this tutorial. Stick around till the end for some pro tips you won't want to miss. Trust me, you won't regret it. Let's start. Select Line Segment tool, hold, Shift, and make the line 45-degree angle. Right-click, go to Transform. Rotate, type 90, and copy. Group both lines. Select Ellipse tool. Hold Alt-Shift and draw. Copy and paste ellipse. Group both ellipse. Draw ellipse carefully. Hold Alt and drag make duplicate object. Press Ctrl-Y to activate line mode. Connected both ellipse. Again, press Ctrl-Y to deactivate line mode. Remember to select both objects, then use the Shape Builder tool to pick the right color and draw the grid according to my instructions. Delete unwanted lines. It's easy to create my grid system logo. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe for more, share with friends, and drop a comment below. See you next time.